Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this very rare Skoda Octavia vRS estate. Finished in beautiful silver, diamond cut alloy wheels. It has just literally arrived, so it's got to be serviced, MOT, fully valeted. It's just had a quick wash off. Got rear park distance control, vRS body styling. It's absolutely lovely condition. These cars have a huge boot as well. It's a proper estate car. There you go, all in lovely condition. It's got the lovely vRS interior, black vRS embossed, electric windows, electric mirrors, lovely little bit of carbon fibre across here. Again, vRS embossed on the headrests. It's got automatic headlights, done 102,013 miles. Nice vRS steering wheel with red stitching. Cruise control on here. We've got, let's have a look, satellite navigation, DAB radio, media pack, Bluetooth, voice control, my car, air conditioning, auxiliary USB. We have the lovely vRS mode, stiffens it all up and makes it a lot quicker. 6-speed gearbox. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. Price low at DJH or full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.